This is what I think that makes a good Facebook ads campaign. It has to be it's actually made of three main pillars over here. So it has to be able to send the right message to the right people to get them to take the right action. So the right message being the creative. So if the creative is wrong, of course, it's not going to work, right? When we say wrong means it is not getting people to click. It is not generating interest among your audience. So that's how we define as wrong message. And how do we know, right? I'm going to tell you later. And then after that, it has to be able to send to the right people. So this one is actually relatively easier to fix because I would believe when you're running a business long enough, if you have been running a business long enough, you definitely know who are the people who are likely to buy from you. That's why, unless you're starting a new business, but even so, I always believe that even you're starting a new business, you have done your research to know who are the people who are likely to buy. So relatively, the people issue shouldn't be as serious, but the message usually is the one. But of course, another main problem that might be causing a non-performing campaign is actually the action part, which is about the objective. Here's where a lot of people make mistake because, say, for example, if you are trying to get people to visit your website, but you actually set up a awareness campaign, and it's definitely not going to perform to your liking.
Whenever you're ready, let's work together to take your campaign to the next level. Scan this QR code to apply for my one-on-one Meta Ads coaching program. We're going to start with getting the foundation right, where you and I are going to dive together to your existing campaign and identify what are the optimization opportunities in your campaign right now. If it's necessary, we will rebuild the whole foundation from scratch. From there on a weekly basis, we're going to work together to analyze and optimize your campaign one step at a time. So this is not a course. This is a done with you program where the whole idea here is first, you want to get your campaign optimized by a Meta Ads certified pro and somebody who's been running ads for a long time. And at the same time, we want to make sure that the knowledge transfer is going to enable you to do this on your own in the future. So the whole idea here is if you want to become a better Meta advertiser and to stop making decisions based on gut feeling and start learning how to really analyze and make informed decisions to take your campaign to the next level one step at a time, scan this QR code and I look forward to work with you.